Welcome back, everybody. Sabaloco here again. Gonna come in with the Premium Collection Radiant Evee Collection box. Trying to get that in for you guys. I'm gonna open this up and see what I get from these Pokemon Go packs. I'm hoping to possibly pull that Mewtwo. Let's see how this goes. Crack open this box for you guys. We got a big code card for you guys. Has all different kinds of codes on it. There you guys go. It's going in the drawer. We get a Eevee mat. It's gonna be pretty sweet. We get a little Eevee Radiant pen, which I like. That looks pretty nice. I like that. You get your 8 Pokemon Go booster packs, and go ahead and pop this out. Here is a code card for you guys, and here is the Radiant Evee from the box. And you know what? That looks pretty clean. I like that. That looks so nice. All right. Let's go ahead and open these packs up and see if we get lucky enough to pull that alternate art Mewtwo. See how this goes today. Boom. And we'll see if we get any Dittos as well. Bulbasaur. Reverse Bidoof into just a hollow Pikachu. Nothing else in there. Alright, we got a hollow Pikachu starting things off. I love the hat on the Pikachu. Always looks nice. Let's go ahead and get into this. I like the Pokemon Go set. It's pretty nice. It's definitely pretty chill. Here's the reverse. Ooh, we got a Slacking V. Okay. First hit of the day. Pretty happy with that. Alrighty. On the next one for you guys. You guys can comment below what's your favorite guys' card in the Pokemon Go set. Focus. Okay. Go. We got the reverse Pikachu. I just like the lightning bolts he used. And into a Dragonite V. Okay, that's my first Dragonite V from this set. I'm pretty happy with that. Alrighty. I know Lost Origin came out and would love to do an opening on those. See how that goes. Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Reverse Articuno into Sylveon. Okay, I just pulled the alternate artwork for that Sylveon. I was pretty happy about that. Pulled that in a different set. I believe it was the Evolving Sky set I pulled that in. Code card for you guys. We got Onyx, Smeargle, which, don't know if I'm going to get a Bidoof. Ooh, Slowbro, into a Gyarados. Okay, got the Gyarados Hollow, which is definitely one of my wife's favorite cards. She loves Gyarados. She also loves that Psyduck. Okay, opening up the next one. Here we go, here we go. Onyx. Slowpoke, Pidoof, Magikarp, Eevee Reverse, into a Blissey Hollow. So, unfortunately, nothing yet, and no Dittos. All we've had is a couple, we had a V, and then a couple of Vs, that's all we've had so far. Nice to get an alternate artwork. Alright, on the next one. So we got Bulbasaur, Onyx, ooh, Reverse Steelix, and Tyranitar. Okay. Got a decent little hollow. On to the last pack. Here we go, last pack of magic. Let's see what happens. It's last pack and I'm having trouble on it. Alright, here we go, last pack magic. See what we get. Spinarak. Ooh, Charmander. Verse. And we get a Mewtwo V to finish this off. I pulled this one a couple times. I do like the look of Mewtwo. No Dittos either. Well, I know this is a short video, but thank you guys again for watching, and I hope to have another one out for you guys next week. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.